Hey friends, Tuxx here. I want to do a quick follow-up video for the PunCube mech wallet. I have been absolutely loving this device. I really have. I've been walking around with it. Love the mechanized feel to it. Love the metal. Love the MagSafe. Like, everything about this is really great. It definitely has far exceeded my expectations. But I did have something happen, guys. I did have this where I had this out at Pizza Hut. True story. Had this at Pizza Hut, paid my bill, and then because they're having problems with my order, I put this on the counter and I forgot it, okay? And I was devastated, not just because it has some of my favorite credit cards in there, and you can see videos on those if you want, back in the queue, but because I lost this wallet. This wallet has become indispensable as far as carrying it around, ease of use. Love the way it hooks right on my phone so easily. Just, it's really been a joy to use. And so I really was devastated at the thought of losing this, but there is an answer, and I have it right here, guys. This is an accessory from PunCube. This is actually a card. It's a 1.6 millimeter dual system tracker for iOS and Android, okay? We're gonna go ahead and open this up right now. Before I go further, I should mention there will be links for this, the actual mech wallet from PunCube, and this right below in the description, so be sure and check that out, okay? But let's go ahead and open this up. I was so happy to see something from them, and I was so sincerely, like, devastated, thinking maybe I lost my new mech wallet. God, there's this no explaining it, guys, but I'm really happy they have a solution here. And here we go. You can see everything was very nicely packed. I want to mention they do a great job as far as packing, making sure, first off, you can't see what it is. It's in a padded envelope, black padded envelope, excellent. Has extra foam on the inside, and then there's a little thing right here. And even just from the get-go, we can help. Service at PunCube. They have trouble with the product, you can reach out to them. They are there to help you. So really cool stuff. Great guys. And you can see right here, this is branded Mech Wallet. So very cool, designed by PunCube Inc. So very nice. Hopefully I'm saying that right. That is PunCube, okay? And again, I'm so impressed, okay? And what we have here, guys, is a very thin, very nice little card, okay? This is a tracking device for your wallet. So basically, if you lose your wallet, you can actually retrieve it, okay? Which is really good. Gives you that little peace of mind. Because honestly, guys, like, I keep, I'm not going to tell you my limits, but they're pretty high. I keep my favorite Amex cards in here, okay? The highest limit cards I have. And I use these all the time. And just even the thought of having to, like, call into Amex and replace the cards is a super drag. And the thought of anyone actually having these cards and spending it, you know, money, my money, is like devastating. And then worse than anything else, the fact I would lose this wallet, I have to buy another one. Seriously, I could not live without this wallet right now. It is so indispensable to me. Just absolutely loving it. But this here is going to help me a lot. Okay, so this is going to give me the peace of mind knowing there's a retrieval process here, you know, for actually getting it back, which is really great. Now here there is some little instructions here. We'll take a quick look at this. Quick start guide, sanitary card. Okay, so very cool. And basic operations, there is a power button. I guess it gives you a chime. All right, we're going to put that to the test here. And the power off, 2 beeps, okay. And the card itself, you remove from the actual thing here. We have to download an app here. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to download the actual app here, and there's a link here for Apple and a link for Android, okay? And this is the Find Hub, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take a look for devices here. So now we're gonna go ahead and you basically take this, we're gonna hit the button here, power it on. Oh, you hear that noise? There we go. And look, it found something already, Air device. Now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna connect this. And so now this is connected to this, just kind of hold it close to it. It should be connecting, there we go. And user responsibility talks about, like, you know, normal rights and things. We're going to turn on the device. So very easy there. Turn it on. It's find the device. Somehow you lost your card. It's very easy. Just hit play sound. Right down here you can see play sound. We're going to hit that button. And it's like instantaneous. It starts playing it immediately. Hear the noise? That makes it really easy. So if you lost your wallet in their house or something, or in the yard or whatever, you can find it very easily by playing this sound. It's a very distinctive sound, and it should be no problem finding it. So we're going to hit stop sound right down here at the bottom. Stop sound. You can see it stops very, very quickly. So really cool, actually. Really nice that it does that. Now, as far as adding this to your mech wallet, it's very simple. We're going to go ahead and open this up here. Listen to the pleasing click here. Oh my God, I love that clicky noise. We're going to pull out a card. We'll just take out that one, I guess. And this just slides right in. That's how easy installation is. Piece of cake. You guys got this. I really appreciate that it uses Google Maps too. I mean, it's definitely a map leader. I had some problems with the iPhone originally when they first started doing Apple Maps, where it was like actually leading me off the road into like a non-roaded area, like a bike trail or something. It was like not for cars, you know? So it's cool. I really appreciate that it uses Google and not some kind of proprietary map system that may not be updated as frequently or as accurate as Google. And we all know that Google, to me at least, is probably the best, because everyone uses Google for maps, which is awesome. So really cool stuff. You can easily see with the map here. You can move your finger around. You can look where you're at, all that good stuff, and find your PunCube card. Okay, so you can find your wallet no matter where you lost it. Now the wireless charging is really easy. Just put it on top of the charger, just like that. Move it around. You kind of see it's making contact, and then it'll beep, just like that. To recap, this is a Sentry card from PunCube. This is a tracking device which works with both Apple and with Android, and it has so many great functions. The fact that it's this thin, 1.6 thin, that is amazing. That is definitely thinner than an AirTag or any other tracking device that I've personally used. So very, very cool. Love the fact it works with Google. You can use Google Maps to track your device, and you can share your location with family and friends. So really cool stuff. The fact that it charges with wireless charges is excellent. The fact that it can be 8 months standby, that is absolutely absurd. You can charge it, put it in your wallet, and forget about it for a very, very long time until you really need it. But then in that moment of need, like me at Pizza Hut there, you'll have the peace of mind knowing that you can find your wallet, your prized charge cards, and your wallet with ease, which is awesome. So if you guys have any questions about this card, please reach out to me, tuxtoys@gmail.com. You know I'm here to help, okay? I want to thank you for making it to the end of the video, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Click the link.